Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week, the 14th of November. Just a reminder, not all settings and features may arrive at the time that I mention, as Microsoft may change dates, or your IT admin may turn certain things off or prevent them from being turned on in the first place. So don't be as upset as Brendan Fraser is staring at the sunset. And just a reminder, coming any day now, that you will see the logo and naming for Office for the web change to Microsoft 365 apps for the web, as well as in other places. However, given that Microsoft still uses the Office logo from the 2016 version in a number of places, don't expect that this new change will be consistently everywhere at the same time. Also, reminder that in mid-2023, Office.com will redirect to Microsoft365.com. Now, have you ever sat at work and wondered how you could earn yourself some sweet Microsoft rewards that you could use for Skype credits, Robux, or a $5 Maya gift voucher? Well, now you can. You can connect your work account to your personal Microsoft account, such as Hotmail, Outlook.com, if you still have any of those, and earn big rewards just by searching Bing.com using the Edge browser. Now, in all seriousness, there is actually a bunch of digital gift card options that you can receive wherever you are in the world. So why not take advantage for free money just by doing web searches as part of your day-to-day job? And don't worry, when you connect your personal account to your work account, your employer won't have access to any of your personal data. This is literally just going to be a feature in the Edge browser that you can turn on. And this is rolling out from December 11th, unless your IT department turns it off. Now, also in the web, but different scenario, soon your Power BI content will be able to be seen through the recommended content within the Office Hub. And you'll also be able to search it in Office.com, SharePoint Online, and using what's called Bing at Work, which is basically when you search in Microsoft Bing and click the Work tab. You'll also be able to see the actions taken on Power BI content, such as who viewed it, edited it, and shared the content with you. This is actually rolling out right now until late November. Now, in the world of Teams today, you can leave a meeting chat, hide the chat, whether it's a group chat or a meeting one, and you can also just hide even the one-to-ones. Well, soon you'll also be able to delete those chats, whether they are a one-to-one, a group chat, or a meeting chat. Now, what this will actually do is delete it just for you. And other people won't be impacted. They will still see it like normal. It's just that you've deleted it. What it actually does do is what Microsoft says is permanently delete it. However, that term permanent is subjective, as your organization should have retention policies in place that keep every message. Honestly, don't know why you would want to delete, because usually hiding and leaving chats is sufficient, but if you want to delete, you can. This is rolling out early to mid-December. And that is it for Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 this week.